Good morning students. In last class we have discussed about multiplication of a fraction by a fraction. We come to know that how to multiply a fraction by a fraction. How to multiply? We are going to do the product of the numerator divided by product of the denominator. Based on last class we are going to solve in today's class exercise 2.3. Now see here, in first main they have given find 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. See a solution how to do. Solution. First one 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Okay, this is first one A. Okay, now see 1 by 4 of means multiplication 1 by 4. Okay, you know how to multiply a fraction with a fraction. How to multiply? We are going to do the product of the numerator, that is 1 multiplied by 1 divided by the product of denominator, that is 4 multiplied by 4. 1 ones are 1, 4 fours are 16. The answer is 1 by 16. In the similar way we will do B1. What is that? 1 by 4 of 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. Okay, 1 by 4 of represent multiplication 3 by 5 is equal to. Okay, how to multiply a fraction with a fraction? Product of numerator, that is 1 multiplied by 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. Okay, 1 3s are 3 by 4 5s are 20. It is nothing but 3 by 20. C1 1 by 4 of 4 by 3. Okay, 1 by 4 of represent multiplication 4 by 3. Yes, say now. Do it. 1 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 multiplied by 3. 1 4s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Okay, so this is about the first main. Now we will see the second main. The second main is multiply and reduce to lowest form. Lowest form if possible. Say first one 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 integer 2 by 3. Third one 3 by 8 multiplied by 6 by 4. Fifth one 1 by 3 multiplied by 15 by 8. Now see here students, what they given? Multiply and reduce to lowest form. We have to multiply and we have to reduce to lowest form. Lowest form is nothing but the simplest form. Okay, see a solution. First one 2 by 3 multiplied by 2 integer 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 by 3 I will keep as it is multiplied by. Okay, now see here, this is mixed fraction. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. What is that? 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 by 3. Now, you know how to multiply a fraction with a fraction. That is product of numerator divided by product of denominator. That is 3 multiplied by 3. Now, see what is 2 8s are 16. 3 3s are 9. 16 and 9 have any common factor? Living one? No. Means this is in the lowest form only. Okay. Now see third one. Third one 3 by 8 multiplied by 6 by 4. Okay. Now multiplication of fraction with a fraction. What is that? Product of numerator, that is 3 multiplied by 6 divided by 8 multiplied by 4. Okay. Now see here students, one easy trick I will tell. Instead of directly multiplying, to do our work easily, we can cancel here. See here, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 9 by 8 2s are 16. Now see here, 9 and 16 have any common factor? No, definitely this is in the lowest form. Now we will see fifth one. Fifth one, 1 by 3 multiplied by 15 by 8. Okay. Now see here, 1 multiplied by 15, 3 multiplied by 8. You can directly cancel here only. Okay, instead of multiplying 8 3s are 24, we can do our work easily. Cancel 3 1s are 3 5s are 1 5s are 5, 1 8s are 8. 1 5 and 8 are in the simplest form only. Yes. So next we will see the third main. Now see here, third main, multiply the following fractions. They are given to multiply this following fraction. See, we will see. Solution. See first one, 2 divided by 5 multiplied by 5 integer 1 by 4. Okay, now see, first convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. What is that? 2 by 5 multiplied by 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1 is 21 divided by 4. Okay, now we know how to multiply a fraction with a fraction. Okay, product of numerator, that is 2 multiplied by 21 divided by 5 multiplied by 4. Now see here, instead of doing 21 multiplied by 2, to make our work easier, what we will do, we will cancel here. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Okay, now see here, 1 21s are 21, 5 2s are 10. So we can keep this answer in a mixed fraction. What is that? 10 2s are 20. 21 minus 20 is 1. What is that? 1 integer 2 by, okay, 1 integer 2 by 10. Okay. Now this is about the first one. Similarly, now we will solve third one. See third one. 3 by 2 multiplied by 5 integer 1 by 3. Okay, 3 by 2 multiplied by. So convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. That is 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 divided by 3 is equal to. Now see here, multiply a fraction with fraction, that is numerator multiplied by numerator divided by denominator, the product of denominator. Now we can divide like this, 3 will get cancelled, 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. What is the answer? 8. Okay. Similarly, now we will do fifth one, 3 integer 2 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 7 is equal to. See, this is in a mixed fraction, convert into a improper fraction. What is that? 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 by 5 multiplied by 4 by 7. Okay, multiply a fraction with a fraction. that is 17 multiplied by 4 divided by 5 multiplied by 7. Anything will cancel here? No. What is 17 fours are? It is 68 by 5 sevens are 35. Okay. Now we can keep the 68 and 35 in a what? Mixed fraction. See here? Divide it. 35 ones are 35. Okay. 68 minus 35. Here 8 minus 5 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. It will be one integer 33 by 35. Okay. Similarly, now we will go for 7th main. 7th one. 3 integer 4 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 5. Okay. Here convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. What is that? 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 4 is 25 by 7 multiplied by 3 by 5. Okay. Now we will multiply a fraction with a fraction, that is 25 multiplied by 3 divided by 7 multiplied by 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5 5s are. We will cancel. Okay, means our easy calculation will be easier. 5 3s are 15. 7 ones are 7. Okay. Now keep this answer in a mixed fraction. 7 2s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. The answer will be 1 integer 2 by 7. Okay. This is about the third main. Now we will see the fourth main. Now say a fourth main, which is greater. First one, 2 by 7 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Now see students, we have to tell here which is greater, whether this is greater or this is greater. Okay. How to tell which is greater? What we will do? We have to do the simplification. We will do the simplification. See a solution. First one. Okay. First we will solve this. 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Here of will represent what, students? Of will represent multiplication. Yes or no? Now, how to multiply a fraction with a fraction? It is multiply numerator with numerator, that is 2 multiplied by 3 divided by 7 multiplied by 4. Okay. Now see here, we can cancel like this, no? 2 ones are 2 2s are. What is the answer? 3 by 7 2s are 14. Okay. Now calculate this. 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. What is that? 3 by 5 multiplied by 5 by 8. Here. Now see here, multiplication of a fraction with a fraction, that is 3 multiplied by 5 by 5 multiplied by 8. 5 will get cancelled. Here it will remain 3 by 8. Okay. Now see here. Now we got the first product is 3 by 14 and the second product we got 3 by 8. Now see here the numerators are same. Yes. Here the numerators are same. So what we will do is, now we will compare the denominator. You have learnt in your 6th standard how to compare a fraction. How to compare? See, if numerators are same, we have to compare the denominator. In denominator, which is the smaller number, no, that fraction is a bigger fraction. Now see, which is the smaller number? 8. I am speaking in denominator, okay, because the numerator are same. In denominator, which is the smaller number? 8. I mean, definitely this fraction is the bigger fraction, okay. So therefore what we can tell is that 2 by 7 of 3 by 4, okay, less than 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. So which is greater? This fraction is the greater fraction, okay. So what we have to do? In the similar way, you have to compare the fourth means second one also, okay. You have to solve that. See, here I will just revise you. In comparison of fraction, suppose if the denominators are same, if the denominators are same, then I am asking you which fraction is bigger fraction. This fraction is the bigger fraction. Here we have to compare a numerator. In numerator, which is the bigger number, no, that is the greatest fraction. But if the numerator is same, and we have to compare the denominator. In denominator, which is the smallest number, no, that fraction is the bigger fraction, okay. Now we will see the fifth mean. Now we will go for fifth mean. That is Siley plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. Now see a student, the fifth main tells us that Siley plants 4 saplings, okay, in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. See what means? Siley in her garden, what she will do means, she will plants a saplings, okay. How many saplings? 4 saplings she will plant. This is sapling number 1, sapling number 2, sapling number 3, sapling number 4. She will plant 4 saplings. Sapling means a young tree, okay. She will plant 4 saplings. The distance between 2 saplings is 3 by 4 meter. What is the distance between the 2 saplings? It is 3 by 4 meter. Okay, they are given the distance between two saplings. Okay, what they ask is what is the distance between the first sapling and the last sapling. They have asked what is the distance between the first and the last sapling. We have to find out the distance, the full distance we have to find out. See a solution. See number of saplings. How many saplings is equal to 4. Number of saplings is 4. Okay. The distance between two adjacent saplings. What is the distance between two adjacent saplings? Is 3/4 meter. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3/4 meter. So what we have to find out? Therefore, the distance between the first and the last sapling. You have to find out the distance between the first and the last saplings. So what is that distance? See here, 3/4 meter. See here, 3/4 meter plus 3/4 meter plus 3/4 meter. Okay, we have to add. Instead of doing this, see here, can I do like this? 3/4 meter multiplied by 3, because here see here 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have to add 3/4 3 times. Instead of that, add on 3/4 meter multiplied by 3. See what is that? 3/4 multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. It is 9/4 meter. So this we can convert into a mixed fraction. So what is that? 4 2s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So what it will become? 2 integer 1/4 meter. Hence the distance between the first and the last sapling is equal to 2 integer 1/4 meter. Okay. Next we will see the next question. So next we will see problem number 7. Okay. A car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol? Now see here students, what they are given is one car is there. Okay, see here, a car runs 16 kilometer using 1 liter of petrol. By using 1 liter of petrol, it will run 16 kilometer. Okay, they have asked using 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol, how much car will cover the distance. Okay, using 1 liter of petrol, the car covers a distance of 16 kilometer. They have asked us the question that using 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol, how much the car will going to cover the distance. See a solution. In 1 liter of petrol, the car covers a distance of 16 kilometer. Okay, therefore in how much they given? In 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol, the car covers a distance of how much? A distance of 2 integer 3/4 multiplied by 16. Okay, kilometer. Yes or no? See here, in 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol, the car covers a distance of this much. What it is this much? So you calculate 2 integer 3/4 multiplied by 16. So convert this mixed fraction into a improper fraction. See 4 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11, 11/4 multiplied by 16. Now how to multiply a fraction with a whole number? You are going to multiply the numerator of fraction with the whole number, that is 11 multiplied by 16 divided by 4. So to do our calculation easier, what we will do? We will divide here. 4 ones are 4 fours are. We will cancel this. It will become 11 multiplied by 4. What is 11 multiplied by 4? It is 44 kilometer. Okay. 2 integer 3/4 into 16 kilometer is nothing but is equal to, right? Okay. Hence what we can write? Hence in 2 integer 3/4 liters of petrol, car covers a distance of how much? A distance of 44 kilometer. Okay, so this is about the 7th main. Now we will see the last main of the question, that is the 8th one. Say 8th one. First one C. Okay. Provide the number in the box. In the box, we have to write the number here such that 2/3 multiplied by this box is nothing but 10/30. Second one more question that I have asked. The simplest form of the number obtained in this box is. Now see, provide the number in the box such that 2 divided by 3 is equal to what? Is equal to 10 divided by 30. See a solution. First one, okay, 2 by 3 multiplied by what is equal to 10 divided by 30. So what is that? 2 5s is 10, 3 10s is 30. Yes, this is nothing but 5 by 10. Second one, see. So the simplest form of the number obtained, whatever your number obtained here, no, what is the simplest form of that? What is the simplest form of 5 by 10? You can cancel or you can take the HCF of 5 and 10. What is the HCF of 5 and 10? The HCF of 5 and 10 is 5. Yes, you can divide by HCF. 5 by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Or you can do directly like this. 5 1s are 5 2s are. What is the simplest form? It is 1 by 2. What I can write here? The simplest form of 5 by 10 is 1 by 2. Okay. So here this completes your exercise 2.3 and this completes your multiplication of fraction. In next class we are going to see how to do the division of a fraction. Okay, we will see in the next class. Thank you.